Hi friends, welcome to Exuberant Consulting. My name is Amit and I am a seasoned SAP professional working in this area for around 15 years. You must be all excited to learn about HANA and actually learn how it works. So in this channel, I am going to talk about SAP in general and HANA in particular, and I'm going to upload a few videos of how to do transactions, how to do configure various scenarios, etc. in HANA. So before we go there, let us talk a little bit about HANA. I found a very nice presentation by SAP, and the link is shared below in the description about what advantages HANA offers over conventional SAP or the ECC, what we called earlier. So the first and foremost advantage, or the biggest change that we see, is that SAP uses a radically different technology called in-memory computing, and it has completely redesigned the database for HANA. So in place of the several tables, totals tables, index tables, aggregations that used to happen earlier, now SAP reads data from a single source of truth. So for accounting, we have this ACDOCA table, and a lot of tables have become redundant or have gone away. So the beauty of in-memory computing is that it runs information on the fly. That is, it reads information even for complex reporting at runtime. That means there is no difference between transaction recording and analytical processing. All of them happen from a single database. Along with that, SAP has radically redefined the user interface. So you must have seen Fiori apps, which are now gradually replacing all SAP GUI transactions. I'm going to post a few videos of how to use Fiori apps as well as we go along. In addition to that, now several products, new front-end products are made available by SAP like Lumira, Analysis for Office, which can build on the same design of the single source of truth. In addition to that, SAP has given CDS views, analytical queries, etc., which are not real data storage objects, but which are virtual views which get populated during runtime. So I would encourage you to go and look at the SAP website and find out what are the different ways uh, HANA has changed the SAP, how SAP operates, and how it's going to run in future. Now you might be wondering, what is the best way to learn these new technologies? So SAP has come up with various courses in the Learning Hub, and a Learning Hub is a subscription-based service. Therefore, it comes at a substantial cost. Of course, if you plan to do certification, Learning Hub is a very useful uh, source of information, along with several books that have been published by various authors on this subject. But if you are a newbie wanting to just get a flavor of what is going on, OpenSAP is a very good source to do free courses about introduction to S4 Hana and all the improvements that have come along with it. So I would encourage you to go to opensap.com, which is shown on this screen, and sign up and just browse through whatever courses you find interesting and just give it a try. There are several courses that are spread over 2 weeks, 3 weeks that consists of presentations, exercises, handouts. So all these are very useful. I found a very useful course in OpenSAP for data load using the LTMC tool. That is the migration cockpit tool given by SAP. So uh, with this introduction, I will now go in my subsequent videos to specific topics, and I will upload specific videos, uh, uh, depending upon individual topics. So please subscribe to my channel and looking forward to having you on my channel. Thank you.